Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get out of SOS mode on iPhone. Let's get started. So, first you can open the settings, then turn on and off airplane mode to refresh your signal. Next, go to the settings and click cellular and make sure that your cellular data is turned on. If the problem continues, go to the settings, then click general and select about and check if a carrier update is available. Top update if you see one. You can also restart your iPhone or remove and reinsert your SIM card to reset your connection. And once your iPhone reconnects, your SOS signal or symbol will disappear. And that's how you can easily get out SOS mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.